This is the dashboard that the admins will have access to. They'll be able to grab telemetry from within the network. They can see the different blips and the bleeps as activity is happening on the network, and they can respond in kind. Now, they can do that in a couple of different ways. They can jump into one of these alerts, and they can jump immediately to it in order to address it. Or they can navigate to all of the alerts on a single page, and they'll be able to address and walk through any of the alerts as they happen. So to kind of show this a little bit, this is the detail that we are grabbing from the event. We're able to see who it is, where they were, and we're also able to fully interact within that alert. So in real time, I can remediate if I need to by file. I can disable file, I can quarantine, I can kill process. On the user, I can disable or re-enable the user. And on the host, there's a whole mess of things that I can do here. I can shut down, I can pull a file, I can interact with this alert in multiple different stages. This is also the area that we would be able to integrate or request a second opinion from the SOC or the PsyOps team. We can send the file, we'll review it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll get back in full detail of what it is that this file or this process is trying to do, giving you a true thumbs up, thumbs down fashion. Now, that's the action response when it comes to alerting when we see something on a host. We can also utilize this tool in the back end to answer questions. So if I see a indicator of compromise, if there is something out there in the wild that I just read about and I just want to know if it exists, am I vulnerable to it? I can run a query string and ask all of the agents in my environment, does this exist? Is this vulnerability available to be used? And can I shut it down? So this is really giving threat hunting or proactive threat hunting visibility to the hands of the admin so that they can utilize the tool to truly keep the customer safe. The one more thing that I wanted to hit on in here, we can actually show a topology map of the environment, and we can get an idea of where those decoy files or those decoy hosts exist. So I can come in here, take a look at an entire environment, and I know Research Desk does not exist, but it's got a digital breadcrumb. So I can plant these things wherever I want, and I can make it difficult for active adversaries to identify what is a real machine and what is a decoy. So being able to set up that deception technology quickly and easily without any additional burden of virtual machines or hardware or anything of that nature makes it nice and easy.